And then next is management. GSM, management. So you're trusting this employee, this team member, this driver, this technician to run your business with that mobile device. Well, it needs to be managed properly. Winging the upgrades, and this is actual true story. I've had these conversations both in trucking and in field services. When there's an update to the ELD application or the field service application, a lot of times the drivers or the technicians will line up at Ricky's desk, Sandra's desk, whoever that's in charge of those devices. Usually those people are in operations or dispatch, but those people are lined up with their tablet or their phone, wanting to give it to them and saying, make sure that I've got the right update so I can start my day, right? These devices need to be truly managed. Someone that will take those updates that come down from any of the application providers, transportation, distribution, field service, and then push those application updates to the devices with mobile device management software. They need to be scheduled. They need to be planned. And then, what are you going to do when somebody breaks a device? Are you going to go run off to the Verizon store or AT&T store and chew up an afternoon? Or someone on your team go chew up an afternoon waiting in line to get a device replaced or a screen repaired? No, somebody needs to manage the entire process so that it saves them time, it saves them money, it saves them productivity. That's what we do.